too easy for him.
Okay, alright. On your marks.
I get 15 seconds to look at it.
Ready? Okay, do you just look at it?
Okay, I'm ready.
You ready?
Yeah.
Go!
Okay, go!
Good morning, Larry. You know, we've all been worried about this.
I love it.
That was great. That's awesome.
How about we see one more big cheer for Josh?
Alright, coming back.
Yeah. Woohoo!
Good job, Bo. All right, awesome.
Like that? You have to have some sort of catastrophe and then I'll come.